Welcome to my SolidWorks bench modeling. This is the bench which I modeled. This is made up of stainless steel bars, and all of the members used in this bench are square members, square structural members, 2 by 2 and zero point 0.5 thickness. That was used because that was the minimum available configuration available. Coming to the length of this bench, this is around 7 feet, which is enough for 3 people to sit on. And coming to the design of this, there are specific gaps involved um, in this bars. Therefore, dust and debris collection would be minimized. And there are not much unique parts in this design as well because all of the bars are essentially the same. And this sections can be made and it's just basically identical to this section over here. So overall number of parts, unique parts is also minimized. And yeah, this bench can be bolted or anchored to the ground using this C sections provided at the end of legs. Instead of bolts up to here, this whole thing can essentially be buried in the ground, which is also enough for the bench to hold on. Coming to the mass of the bench, because it is stainless steel, and the mass of the bench comes around 500 pounds in total. That's a bit heavy, but since the anticipated lifetime is around 10 years, this is a one-time job to just anchor it to the ground. And yeah, and it is said that the bench should support a distributed load of 100 pounds, sorry, 1000 pounds. So calculating the max deflection as 0.2, the minimum moment of inertia required for this to survive a distributed load of 1000 pounds given the length is 84 inches came around to be 1.5 inch power 4. The minimum moment of inertia to survive 1000 pound per inch load is 0.2 1.35 inch power 4. So taking the cross section of the bench here, and there are five bars here, 1 2 3 4 5. So these five bars, calculating the moment of inertia of this, taking the neutral axis in the middle, came around to be around 5 inch power 4, which is enough to say that this would survive the given load. It's a bit excessive design, but this was the minimum available thickness of the bars. Yeah, and the angle of the backrest provided here is 100 degrees with the base of the bench, so it's enough for human comfort as well. So there are multiple weldings also required over here. It's basically a completely welding job after the bars are made. The bars can be made, they can be cut, and it's basically the whole thing is welding. So this is my SolidWorks bench module, and so thank you very much.